Hellas ultra-reliable disc horns look and sound like nothing else on the road. These horns guarantee your highest safety and the attention needed in critical situations. Disc horns are for drivers looking for a horn that combines a good price-performance ratio and high quality. Hella horns guarantee best functionality, optimum fit and long-lasting customer satisfaction. Original equipment quality horns you can trust from a global leader in automotive technologies for more than 100 years. Disc horns come with a M8 screw horn bracket and with flat connections of 6.3 mm, open, blade type. High tone, 420 Hz, low tone, 350 Hz, sound level, 111 decibels, voltage, 12 volts. Application. Universal. Kit includes, one-piece high-tone 420 Hz horn, one-piece low-tone 350 Hz horn. These ultra-reliable disc horns look and sound like nothing else on the road. Hella acoustic warning systems. In the hustle and bustle of traffic, safety is paramount. You will surely notice that our horns use the most modern acoustic technology. Hella offers a broad selection of horns which are all characterized by their strong, penetrating and concentrated sound. Hella horns are constructed with durability in mind. Integrating security, reliability and precision workmanship. Hella is a tradition that continues for more than 100 years ago. Horns, backup alarms and trumpets from Hella are designed and manufactured with German precision technology. We work with the most important car manufacturers, the best in the industry, so we can be sure to get the most out of it. The Hella quality is not only seen but heard. Our experience specializing in the development of horns and trumpets meets strict DCE requirements and original equipment applications both for light vehicles and commercial vehicles, as well as for applications off-road. Top reviews from the United States. Great sounding horns. Loud and sweet. These Hella horns make my Honda Fit sound like it should when I honk my horn. The single horn that came from the factory sounded like a mosquito rather than a Honda. I am happy. My mechanic installed easily but added a relay to make certain the horn did not blow a fuse. Good looking out on his part. Thanks Amazon and Hella for these honkers.